Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word cousin in British English. So here's the script from the Cambridge Dictionary Online, and the first thing we can notice is that this is a two-syllable word. The blue mark on the top left tells us that we stress the first syllable, so that's the strong syllable, and that blue dot at the bottom shows us where we break the word into two parts. So that's the first thing. So repeat after me, stressing syllable one. Cousin. Again, cousin. Good. So focusing on that first syllable, and this is one of the parts where people often make mistakes. You'll see we've got the k to begin, k, so no voicing, and it's the vowel where people often make a mistake. The pronunciation of this vowel is and then we've got the voiced z. So syllable one, repeat after me, cuz. Cuz. Now the mistake that people make, we'll come back to this at the end when we look at the orthographic script, but basically when we write the word, we write two vowels, but here we just see the one short vowel sound, so that's a mistake that often occurs. So remember that when we come back to the end of the video, cuz, one vowel. And then we've got the short ending, so we've got a tiny schwa, so it's really weak, and then we've got a n, so our ending is un. Un. So putting all of that back together, remember from the beginning, the pronunciation is cousin. Hopefully now that you're looking at it written down, you can get a sense of where the other mistake occurs. So as I already mentioned, first syllable, cuz, is one short vowel, but here we see an O and a U. So I've heard many interpretations of this, people wanting to say two vowels, for example, or creating a longer vowel, cows in or coos in. It's just a short cuz, cuz. The other mistake that is common is with the ending vowel. It looks like an I here. You can perhaps see there we've got the word sin. So you might be tempted to overpronounce that vowel as an I, but remember it's a little schwa, so it's very weak. Zun is the ending, un, cousin, un. So the top tip for this word, as with many words in English, to be perfectly honest, don't go too heavy on the vowels. Cousin, cousin. So repeat after me one last time for good measure. Cousin. Fantastic. So I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions about the word cousin, then leave me a comment below. And if you've got any other words that you would like covering in this series, then please leave me a request and I will be happy to add it to my list for the future. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.